He will always be here to protect you, to guide you.
Ngayon ko ng paalam mo, anak, nais namin ipakita sa iyo kung gaano ka namin kamahal at kung gaano ka kahalaga sa amin.
Lord, bless me. Beyond words.
You have told us that you really are the connection of love, and for that I am eternally grateful. Isang taon nang lumipas, simula nang dumating ka sa aming buhay. At mula noon, ang bawat araw ay naging mas makulay at masaya. Ikaw ang munting tanghel, walang kapantay. Ang tuwa na dulot ng aming